And staying with the public health system, the Mandeville Regional Hospital has received over 40 beds to help ease pressure on the overcrowded wards, thanks to a donation from the Shaggy Make a Difference Foundation, Project Cure, and a team of volunteers. Now, CEO of the Mandeville Regional Hospital, Alan Miller, says this is a major boost for patient care.
We are indeed very grateful for these beds. They will serve as replacements for some beds that we have on the ward that need to be replaced, and additional beds in some cases. These will go a far way in strengthening our ability to accommodate our patients in a more comfortable environment, comfortable and appropriate environment. And we are grateful that they have considered Mandeville Regional Hospital to be a recipient of these beds.
But according to the CEO, the hospital is still operating at full capacity. He says the average daily admission now stands at 361, a figure that only accounts for admitted patients and not the roughly 200 daily visits from motor vehicle accidents or chronic illnesses. Kenisha Gibson spoke to TVJ News on behalf of the donors.
So for today, as you see, we're doing Mandeville, 44 beds to Mandeville. And then when we leave here, we go to Savannah Lamar Public Hospital, where they will get 80 beds, all of them like this. And then later on, we'll have other hospitals to distribute it to as well.
Now, still ahead in primetime news, the business review and international news. Please stay with us.